Good morning, everyone. This is Muriel. Welcome to my channel. I am here to share with you my crisscross swap that I am participating in with Luisa, my Crafty Boutique. This is the crisscross swap Halloween tag flip 2021. It's a two-part challenge swap. And here's what we're doing. We decided on the swap projects, the theme, and the holiday. And the challenge is to create this project with products that is sent to you from your swap partner. These are the products that Luisa sent to me. So here is the kit that we created. It has a bunch of coordinated crafty supplies to go with the theme, color, etc. And we are challenging each other in this swap to use the products that they make and send back. So we'll have to use all of this stuff to make this tag flip and send it back to her. Okay. All of these supplies that I received, I need to use to create this tag flip. As much as possible, I need to use at least 50%, which I will definitely try. And when I'm finished, then I send the tag flip back, of course, with other goodies. So I am really excited about this. Again, my swap partner is Luisa. If you don't know, you can tell by her work. She sent me some of these glued resin pieces that she's been making. Oh my gosh, she landed on Plymouth Rock when she figured out that these glue sticks would make would be used good for making molds. So, and then she has the adorable little charm here. And then there's a heart and a skull. Adorable. And this bag, can you stand it? It has hearts all over it, and it's perfect. I have hers. I think I'm going to go ahead and mail it this afternoon. It's already boxed up. I boxed it up 2 days ago, and I was just kind of waiting because I was mailing some other things. So here are the goodies, and then here is, oh, look at this little guy. And here is the paper that she sent me to use. So let's see what colors we're dealing with. It looks like a pastel. So we have black cardstock, purple cardstock. And this is really heavy duty too. Okay, so there are the colors that I am to use. Yeah, this must be 110 pounds. It feels really heavy. And then let's start it off with some glitter. She made this glitter. It's really pretty. There is, I don't know if you can see, but that cute little happy face right there. And then there is a bat. There's some bat sequins in here as well. So loving that, and the cute little star, trick or treat. Okay. So let's see what I am working with. Look at this, is packaged. These are in bellies. Oh, goodness. She just packaged it so nicely. I hope you think mine is packaged nicely as well. How cute is this? Oh, my gosh. So here are tags, of course, with the same colors or similar. There are some spiders and some ghosties and some skulls that I can use. Oh my gosh. And then over here, there are just a plethora of hearts and pumpkins and stars and a witch. These are all chipboard pieces. Images from Zur Artsy on Etsy. Oh my goodness. Can I open that up? Huh! Look at how cute. Adorable. Brooms, little cats, cauldrons, pumpkins, candy, spiders. Oh, so this is a plethora of cupcakes. Holy crap. Okay, more candy, brooms. Oh, that's a lot. But we're going to definitely incorporate it into, I see some hearts too. We're going to incorporate it into this tag flip. And then there are these gems. So you can see there's bows, enamel dots, and hearts. Just a plethora. And then there are smaller ones. Smaller bats, glittered black ones, purple ones, pink ones. Is this open? Okay. I got a handful so that you can see them. Oh my God, who cut all these out? Black spider webs, little spiders, rest in peace tombstones, skull and bones. Okay. The challenge is on. Oops. Okay. So we're going to send this back in October. Definitely the month Halloween for sure. Okay, so how cute is that? Little embellies kit. And then there is shaped and regular tags to use. Okay, let's see here. There are some Mickey ears, witch hats. Oh my gosh, she die cut all these out. Skull and bones, bats, spider webs. I like that corner usage. There's some, these are some frames that go with the tombstone. And then there is this huge ghost. And then these are just really heavy cardstock. Some scallop-shaped frames, I guess. Tags. There's a tag. There's a tag. There's a tag. There's a tag. Okay, so they're tags. Yes, the tags. Okay. I'm cooking with gas now, you guys. So this is going to be very, very interesting. And this is a color that I've seen out there, right? But I don't particularly, because I can never purchase this. I can never find this paper pad, these colors. Of course, I need to go other places and shop for it, but I've always admired that pink and purple inside of Halloween projects. Okay, so then there is Enamel Pins. That's cute. Of a tombstone, always creeping, never sleeping. And then there is this cute little... Let's see here. Enamel Pins. Okay, the cute little skull girl. Oh my God, look at that. So cute. So they're pins. Okay, that would be great. Those are really cute. Okay, that'll work with that. And then inside this cute little mason jar pouch are... Okay. There we go. That's what the charms are going to hang off of this tag flip. And then some of these, which I never got any of these, but they're so cute. Oh, that's cute. A button, a bottle cap. Some more of her work of art. Oh my God, it's so cute. These really came out good, Luisa. Love that. And love the bat. Oops, going the wrong way, sorry. Some more bats of different colors, hands, and skulls. Oh, he definitely needs some gold jimmies in his eyes. Okay. Okay, let's just leave that right there. And, oh, look. Okay, she sent some rosettes to work with of the same color. And here are ribbons and, oh, those are cute. Spiderweb. That's what she used on the border on the Jimmy's bag, the embellishment bag. Love those trims. Love these trims. Oh my gosh. Love these trims. And then there's some box trim and some rosette trim. Holy crap. Okay. Oh, these are some little cabochons and beads. Oh, look at that. I love that washi tape. Did you put some of that in here? I like that. And I love how you put them in these little K-cups. Just a plethora. Oh my gosh. She got some beads that she wire wrapped. Ice cream cones. Oh my goodness. What is that? A ghost? Oh my god, that's adorable. Oh my gosh. Oops. I'm not going to say nothing. I'm just going to create. That's cute. That is adorable. These are so pretty. And these pastel jimmies, adorable. Look at him. There's another bead. Okay. Adorable. That is a cat. Oh my gosh. Okay. My work is cut out for me. Can you close you back up? So she sent to you guys, so I won't open up this one. But it's basically got smaller jimmies. Okay. And I think this is the final. Let's get him out. Oh, there's some more. That cutie there. Okay. We have some trims, some more trims if I run out or need to change up. And this is 6x6 papers from Michaels called Peekaboo. I also scanned and printed it to make the 5x7 tags. Well, bless your little heart. Okay, Peekaboo. Okay, there's some border strips, some ghosts. That's cute, and it's single-sided. Okay. Okay. Adorable. That's really pretty. I think I saw this collection, but I wasn't enthralled with it, so I decided not to get it. Okay. Well, I have my marching orders, and I am going to make a tag flip using as much of this as I can. Trims, rosettes, embellishment, tags, you name it. And then I'll do a video showing it, but I won't post it until at least Luisa has done her video, and then I'll show. And maybe I can show some of the makings of some of the items that I'm going to do. Like, I see some charms, some chunky charms along with this tag flip. So, wish me luck, you guys, and thank you again. And see us in October when we have finally completed what we're going to do this year for each other. Have a great Sunday, everyone. Bye for now.